Hello family, here's how to clear the cache on any app. As clearing your cache helps for maximal or optimal performance of your app. I tap on the app until it shows this. The next thing is that I'll click on application details. And the next thing is that I'll click on storage. So I'll tap on clear cache. And see your app start working well again. Let me also try out another app so that you also see it. And now here's my WhatsApp app. I tap down. I click on application detail. I click on storage. Do it on and I clear cache. Do it on your most frequently used apps. Then let me also try it with YouTube app. Tap it down, click on application detail, and then you click on storage. Then I clear cache. Are you getting it? Alright, so once you do this, you see your app start working. Do it for every of your app, and you see that those issue of apps hanging or just switching away will stop. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, and follow.